Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing your study regularly, all of you are completing your assignments. Okay? Yes. So welcome to our today's class, and today we are going to revise our fourth chapter, that is effects of electric current. Okay, already you have studied this chapter. We did a lot of revision of this chapter, but then also this is a quick revision of this chapter. So let's start with our fourth chapter, that is effects of electric current. Okay, so here student, in this chapter we have learnt about electric current flowing through a conducting wire and electric current flowing through a resistor, then electromagnetic induction, electric motor and generator. Okay, so let's do a quick revision of all these things, all this whatever we have learned. Okay, so here in the very first topic in this chapter, we have learned about energy transfer in an electric circuit. Okay, so for that we need to do a setup of the electric circuit like this. Okay, this is a current which is flowing from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Yes, then these are the 2 points A and B. R is a resistance, then VAB is what? Potential difference. This is voltmeter and here A is ammeter. Okay, so what happened, the potential at A जो है वो higher होता है, it is higher than potential at B, because A is connected to which terminal, which electrode? A is connected to the positive electrode. Here you can see A is connected to the positive electrode and B is connected to what? B is connected to the negative electrode. So what happened, if a charge Q which is flow from A to B, okay, work VABQ has been done on Q while going from A to B. Okay, so the source of energy is what? Cell provides all the energy. Okay, yes, then what happened to this energy? This energy जो है वो received हो जाती है by the resistor and it is converted into heat energy, and the temperature of the resistor it gets increased. Okay, so students, this we have learned in a very systematic, very deep manner in our tutorial videos, so please go and watch that videos. This is our revision video. Okay, so this is our first topic. Then we have learnt about this derivation, something kind of that. So P is equal to what? Electrical power, that is energy upon time required. So VABQ upon T. Okay, but Q upon T क्या होता है? I होता है. So VAB into I. But H is equal to what? Yes, H is equal to what? H is equal to P into T. Heat is equal to P into T. So VAB P जो है वो उसका आंसर क्या है? VAB इंटू I इंटू ये जो T है वो ऐसे ही रहेगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू ओम्स लॉ VAB इज इक्वल टू I इंटू R. ठीक है, अगर हम ये इक्वेशन को if we do multiply and division of this equation, then what we will get, that is V square AB into T upon R. Okay, then अगर H is equal to V square H is equal to, यहाँ पे VAB मतलब क्या होता है? I into R. तो I into R into I into T तो है, इसमें भी है. So what we will get? I square into RT. So this is called as what? Joule's law of heating. Then the unit of electrical power is what? That is 1 watt. ठीक है, okay. Then the heating effect of electric current. Okay, when a resistor is connected to electrical circuit, what happened? Heat is produced in it due to what? Current. So that is called as heating effect of current. Okay, so there are so many equipments such as water boiler, electric cooker, electric bulb, which make use of what? Heating effect of electric current. Okay, the electrical conductors having higher resistivity are used over here. A coil which is made up of an alloy nichrome, it is used in what? Electrical heater and cooker. ठीक है, so nichrome is used over here, electrical heater, cooker as a resistor, while a tungsten wire जो है वो किस में यूज हो जाती है? इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब. ठीक है, ओके. सो here you can see over here, yes, several times what happened, we heard or read about a building catching fire due to short circuit. short circuit हो जाता है, इसलिए बिल्डिंग जो है वो फायर को कैच करती है. So if we switched on an equipment in our house, the electrical fuse wire melts and the electric supply shut down. So आपको पता है कि our home electrical connection is consist of what? Live, neutral and earth wire. Live and neutral wire जो है this has a potential difference about 220 volt. Earth wire is connected to what? Ground. ठीक है, okay. Then what happens if any inflammable material such as wood, cloth, plastic exist around the pole जो है उसके ऊपर, तो क्या हो जाता है? ये फायर को कैच करते हैं, ठीक है. सो देयरफॉर व्हाट इज़ यूज्ड? अ फ्यूज वायर इज़ यूज्ड एज अ प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर. ओके, यस. तो समर के टाइम पे भी ऐसे होता है, ड्यू टू ह्यूज इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर इज़ यूज्ड इन द इवनिंग ड्यू टू व्हाट? होम लाइटिंग. ओके, बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट की ज़रूरत होती है समर के टाइम पे बिकॉज ऑफ हीट. सो व्हाट हैपन्स? All our equipments which are electrical equipments which are there at our home, we used to make it on, okay, so that we'll feel cool and like that. So for that what happened, जो कैपेसिटी है ट्रांसफार्मर की वो इनसफिशेंट हो जाएगी, तो क्या होगा? इट्स फ्यूज वायर मेल्ट्स एंड द सप्लाई गेट्स शट डाउन. ओके, सो दिस हैपन्स ड्यू टू व्हाट? ओवरलोडिंग. Okay, so these are the different kinds of fuse which are used at our home for electrical supply. ठीक है, okay. Then we have learnt about the magnetic effect of electric current. Here you can see that the circuit is shown in the figure. Okay, connect a copper wire thicker and straight as compared to the connecting wires between A and B. Okay, तो magnetic needle जो है वो यहाँ पे रखी है which is adjacent to the wire. Keep the plug key open in the circuit and observe the direction of needle. Plug key अगर open करेंगे and if we observed the direction of needle, then needle, close the plug key and observe the direction of needle. Okay, अगर प्लग की ओपन करके डायरेक्शन ऑफ नीडल देखेंगे एंड प्लग की जो है वो क्लोज करके डायरेक्शन ऑफ नीडल देखेंगे, देन वी विल सी अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैट. ओके, नाउ इंटरचेंज द कनेक्टिंग वायर्स कनेक्टेड टू द सेल एंड ऑब्जर्व द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक नीडल. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो है वो मैग्नेटिक नीडल जो है वो वेस्ट का डायरेक्शन दिखाती है एंड यहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक नीडल जो है वो इट शोज अ डायरेक्शन ऑफ ईस्ट. Okay, so there is a difference between these two direction. Okay, the magnetic effect is observed because of the current in the wire. This means that what? Electricity and magnetism, they are connected to each other, they are related. ठीक है, so if a magnet is moved, then what happened? And kept moving, what we will observe any electric effect? Yes, we will observe. Okay, so we are going to study magnetic fields such as electromagnetic effects. Okay, finally we will study the principal, construction and working of motor and generator. That we have studied already. Okay, then here another one activity which is there. Okay, which is related to cardboard and magnetic needle. Okay, when a large current flows through a thick copper wire passing through a cardboard, magnetic needle kept at a different points on the cardboard around the wire stands in a different direction. Mark this direction with the pencil. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे देखो मैग्नेटिक नीडल जो है वो अलग अलग पोजीशन पे अगर हम रहेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? इट शोज द डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ if instead of magnetic needle, if we spread iron filling on the cardboard, then what happens? The iron filling around themselves in a circular manner. Okay, तो iron filling जो है वो अपने आप को circular manner में adjust करेगा. ठीक है, because of magnetism. This we have you have already studied, okay, in your previous standard. So the iron filling spread along the magnetic lines of force. It will spread along the circular manner. Okay, yes. Then here the right hand thumb rule, which is very important, students. So what it says that you have to cut your finger like this and you have to place your thumb like this. Then what you will get? Okay, you will get that, imagine that you have held the conductor in your right hand in such a way that your thumb points in the direction of current. तो ये जो thumb है वो direction of current बताता है. Then turn your fingers around the conductor. Then the direction of fingers is the direction of magnetic lines of force. ठीक है, तो ये जो थंब है वो किसका डायरेक्शन बताता है, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. एंड हियर द कर्ल्ड फिंगर विच शोज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक लाइन्स ऑफ force. Okay, then the magnetic field produced by current through a circular loop of a conducting wire. So this is a circular loop, this is a cardboard, and these are the magnetic lines of magnetic lines. Okay, and this is a cell. Okay, so here what happens, as we go towards the center of the loop, the circle becomes so big. Okay, यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो सर्कल जो है वो बहुत बिग हो जाता है अगर हम सेंटर की तरफ आ जाते हैं. ओके, येस, एंड इट्स आर्क जो है वो किससे शो किया है, थ्रू द स्ट्रेट लाइन. ठीक है, ओके. So here what happened, the magnetic lines, if the current passes through the loop, magnetic lines of forces are produced at each and every point of the loop. Yes, so as we go away from the wire, the concentric circle representing the magnetic lines of force will become very bigger and bigger. Here you can see पहले जो छोटा था वो अगर हम सेंटर की तरफ जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, it will show up, it will become very bigger and bigger. ठीक है, okay. Then we have learnt about here the intensity of magnetic field at any point produced by a current flowing through a wire. It depends upon what, on the current. Okay, so as we have seen this in our experiment. Now the magnetic field due to a current in solenoid. Solenoid में क्या होता है, ये जो है copper wire with a resistive coating in a wound in a chain of loops. Okay, that is, this is called as what, solenoid. ठीक है, so whenever an electric current passes through a solenoid, magnetic lines of forces are produced. Okay, so magnetic lines of forces are produced, this you are seen over here. Okay, yes, then the one end जो है वो क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है, it acts as magnetic north pole and the other end it acts as magnetic south pole. ठीक है, and the magnetic lines of force inside the solenoid, they are parallel to each other. Here you can see they are very parallel to each other. The intensity of magnetic field within the solenoid is uniform everywhere. Okay, so the magnetic field जो है in the solenoid is uniform. Force acting on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. Okay, तो यहाँ पे एक activity दी है, we have to do a setup like this. So here you can see that, here you can see whenever a current is not flowing through the wire, it remains straight. When a current flows from top to bottom, the wire bends and comes into the position C. Okay, यहाँ पे जो है straight दिखाई देगा because here there is no current. But यहाँ पे जो है when bottom to top होता है तो क्या होता है, वायर जो है वो बेंड हो जाती है टुवर्ड्स B. ओके, ये साइड पे बेंड हो जाएगी. एंड जब टॉप टू बॉटम होता है तब क्या होता है, इट बेंड्स टुवर्ड्स C. ओके, पोजीशन C. ओके, जब टॉप टू बॉटम होता है तब वायर बेंड्स एंड कम इनटू पोजीशन C. बट if the current direction is reversed, it is reversed, then what happened, for example bottom to top, then what happened, the wire bends and come into the position of B. Okay, yes, so this is a quick experiment. Now what Fleming's left hand rule says. So Fleming left hand rule says that, it says that according to this rule, the left hand thumb, index finger and middle finger are stretched so as to they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, if the index finger is in the direction of magnetic field, index finger कहाँ पे है, yes, magnetic field, and the middle finger is in a position of direction of the current. Okay, direction of current, then the direction of thumb is the direction of force on the conductor. तो मिडल फिंगर जो है, मिडल फिंगर क्या शो करता है, डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट, देन द इंडेक्स फिंगर विल शो डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एंड द थंब विल शो force acting on a conductor. Okay, that is Fleming's left hand rule. Now about electric motor, we have learned this, how the electric motor used to work and all. Okay, how it gets, first it will work in clockwise manner, then it will work in anti-clockwise manner. Okay, so this we have already learned. Okay, so you all know that this is a north pole, this is south pole. Okay, then here you can see A B of the loop. From here you can see the current flows in the branch of AB of the loop from A to B, and then through the carbon brushes E and F. These are the two brushes, and how it works, this we have already learned. Now the electromagnetic induction, we have seen in the previous section that if we kept an electric conductor in a magnetic field such that the direction of current flowing through the conductor is perpendicular to the magnetic field, then what happened, the force which gets act upon the conductor. Okay, so here what happens, because of this the conductor moves, and but if an electric conductor is moving in magnetic field or magnetic field around a stationary conductor is changing, then what happened. So इसका आंसर किसने बताया, in order to find out an answer of this question, research was done by a great scientist, Michael Faraday. Okay, and he showed that an electric current can be produced in a conductor with the help of moving magnet. Okay, so here are some activities which are related to the magnet. Okay, we have to place a circuit set up like this. Here this is a galvanometer. Okay, yes, now if the wire is kept moving from A to B, वायर को जो मूव किया, सो द पॉइंटर ऑफ गैल्वानोमीटर गेट्स डिफ्लेक्टेड. सो यहाँ पे क्या दिखाई देगा, सम काइंड ऑफ डिफ्लेक्शन. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, फैराडेज इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन. ओके, yes, now here the second point, in this experiment if we open the plug key को open किया and make the current 0 in the coil, then the pointer of galvanometer deflects to the side and quickly come back to 0. okay, ये जो है वो कुछ deflection show करेगा and then again come back to 0. okay, so when the electric current is flowing to the solenoid coil, अगर इसमें solenoid coil से जो current pass कर दिया, तभी भी क्या हो जाएगा, करंट जो है वो प्रोड्यूस्ड हो जाएगा इन द फायर. सो द करंट गेट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड. ओके, सो इवन इफ द सोलेनॉइड कॉइल इज केप्ट स्टेशनरी, अ चेंज इन द करंट इन द सोलेनॉइड कॉइल प्रोड्यूसेस करंट इन द कॉइल. ओके, if the solenoid coil is moved towards or away from the coil, then we show that the deflection in the galvanometer. okay, then what the Faraday's law of induction says that if a current is switched on or off in the solenoid coil, a current is induced in the coil. करंट जो है वो इंड्यूस्ड हो जाता है. Such an induction is also observed when the current in the solenoid coil is increases or decreases. ठीक है, so current is induced in the coil when is moved aside from the solenoid. From this experiment it is understood that whenever the number of magnetic lines of force passing through a coil changes, current is induced in the coil, and this is called as what, Faraday's law of induction. ठीक है, एंड यहाँ पे जो करंट प्रोड्यूस्ड होता है वो इंड्यूस्ड करंट होता है. ओके, देन फ्लेमिंग्स राइट हैंड रूल. Fleming's right hand rule, it says that the index finger, we have to stretch the thumb, index finger and the middle finger in such a way that they will be perpendicular to each other. The thumb indicates the direction of motion of the conductor. okay, thumb जो है वो motion of the conductor indicate करता है. index finger indicates the direction of magnetic field. okay, direction of magnetic field, index finger, and the middle finger shows the direction of induced current. So this is called as Fleming right hand rule. Then we have learned about electric generator. okay, तो इसका वर्किंग जो है, Electric motor and electric generator, they are different, although here it is consist of two types of ring, that is R2, R1 and R2. These are the two rings which are attached over here, and that is not there in the electric motor. Okay, so this we have also, this we have learned. This is very important. Diagram is also very important. Okay, so practiced diagram also, and do a thorough study. Okay, thank you students. Go through the video and complete your assignments. Thank you.